JNU Students' Union President Kanhaiya Kumar has entered the JNU campus where we believe he is now meeting JNU faculty. Remember, some of them have stood his surety to get him out of Delhi's Tihar jail today. Just a short while earlier, he was given interim bail yesterday. His lawyers reaching Tihar jail this evening, handing over the release order to jail officials in order to avoid waiting cameras and publicity. Kanhaiya was reportedly taken out of the residential block of Tihar jail. Tanima joining us at this point for more. Tanima, just take us through what happened there at Tihar. Now we're told Kanhaiya is in fact in JNU.
Right, Ankita, and that's where he was expected to go back to the campus where all this began, and also it's expected that he's going to address the students shortly, the students who had in fact been supporting him through this entire ordeal. Now here at Tihar jail, as you were mentioning, this entire operation of taking him out of Tihar jail was shrouded in a lot of secrecy, but finally he did manage to leave Tihar around an hour or so back. Also, what we have in fact been reporting is that crucial Delhi Government Inquiry Committee report, which has looked into all the videos, the evidence which has come out so far, and very importantly, it's pointed out that two of the videos which allegedly spoke of how Kanhaiya Kumar was making a lot of anti-national comments, was raising slogans which were objectionable. This committee report has in fact found out that there was nothing objectionable which was found in some of those videos. No objectionable comments made by Kanhaiya Kumar rather, though there were certain slogans raised on JNU campus which needs to be investigated. That's what the committee report said. But it gave a clean sheet to Kanhaiya and also said that two of these videos which were floating on the internet had in fact been doctored. Also, this committee report said that there were questions being raised as to how a news team was allowed to be in the premises at JNU campus on the 9th of February when that event which was being organized by some of these students had been cancelled. Why was the news team called there when such events were being held year after year at JNU? Why were they called in by an ABVP member? That raises some sort of doubt. So very important findings from that committee report. But yes, today JNU campus is of course going to break into celebrations as Kanhaiya Kumar, whom they had been supporting over the past several weeks now, their student union president, has in fact returned after getting an interim bail of 6 months from the Delhi High Court.
Tanima, thanks so much for joining us.